welcome back to our channel. On last Sunday, as you watch on our video, we've been to corn farm in Half Moon Bay. So we have a bunch of fresh corns. Today, Mom decided to make corn milk for us to enjoy with cookies in snack time. The sweet and creamy corn milk you could drink hot in the rainy day or put some ice in the hot summer day. Hot or cold is still yummy in its own way. First, we need 5 corns. Grab a sharp knife and trim off the corn kernels by firmly holding the ear of the corn vertically and slices downwards. Don't cut yourself. Transfer to the bowl. Do not throw the cob. Cut it into small pieces for easy cook. Transfer them into a medium pot. Do the same to the rest of the corns. Today, Mom wants to test 2 times to see which one tastes better. Once it's with 5 corns, once it's with only 3 corns. If you don't have the Instant Pot blender as we do, you could use regular blender, blend all the corn kernels, and cook it in the pot until boil. Whisk constantly. So let's see which one tastes better, okay? So Mom trimmed off the total 8 corns. In this recipe, Mom didn't want to add milk as the original recipe does because she wants to be dairy-free. So she will use the simmering water of corn cobs. Now pour just enough water to cover the cobs. Bring it to boil. Reduce heat to low. Add 50 grams rock sugar to the pot. Simmer for another 10 minutes. Turn off heat. Our first try with 5 corn kernels. Be careful with the hot water. Pour the simmering cold water to the blender. Just enough water to reach 48-ounce water line on the blender. Let's start with rice milk button. Now we have 8 minutes to relax. Oh yeah. Now that the machine's done with its job, strain it through the strainer. It's still thick after straining, but I like it the way more. You could still smell the strong smell and taste the sweetness of the corns. Yum. Whoa, doesn't that look good? It's creamy, you see. Be careful, it's super hot too. Drinking corn milk is a completely different experience from eating the corn directly. Believe me. So now Mom did the same way by using only 3 corn kernels. And it's thinner liquid, more watery than that's the previous one. Still tastes good and smells perfectly corny. But I love the thicker more because the smell is stronger and the taste is creamier. Yum. Even if it looks quite plain, but at least try once. If you love the flavor and taste of corn, this will be the next level experiments, which is completely different from eating the corn directly from the cob. So in the conclusion for the video, I will tell you that if you want thick corn milk, use 5 corn kernels with 40-ounce water. If you want lighter corn milk, please use 3 corn kernels with 40-ounce water. Oh, I forgot. If you love this blender, see the link below in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow. Bye. And hope you love the drink. Bye.